The spoon snake or cobra is a special name for all types of venomous snakes that have the ability to flatten their necks, thus forming a spoon or hood. This animal is classified as an omnivore. Foxes are small carnivores. There are 27 species in the world. They are classified as omnivores, and the smallest member of the family Canidae. Male chickens are the result of laying hens that have male sex. Usually, roosters are slaughtered faster because they do not produce eggs. Rats are a family of rodents from the order Rodentia. Cusica is a bird of the Corvidae family. The black and white Eurasian Cusica is considered one of the most intelligent animals in the world. Sus is a genus in the family Suidae. In general, members of the genus Sus are called pigs. Crows are members of songbirds belonging to the genus Corvius, of the Corvidae family. Parrots are a kind of bird belonging to the Stenidae tribe. Its natural distribution area is from Sri Lanka, India, Himalayas, to the Philippines, Java to the Lesser Sunda Islands. The otter or otter is a carnivorous mammal belonging to the subfamily Latrini. There are 13 types of otter species and all of them are semi-aquatic, aquatic or marine animals. Bats are the only mammals that can fly, and belong to the order Chiroptera with both forelegs that develop into wings. Bears are a class of mammals belonging to the order Carnivora, family Uridae. Hedgehogs are rodents, rodentia, that have thick hair and sharp spines. These animals are found in Asia, Africa, and America. Cats are a type of carnivorous mammal from the Felidae family. Meerkats or suricates are mammals and members of the mongoose family. Meerkats live in the Kalahari Desert in Botswana and South Africa. Cassowary is one of two types of birds in the Casuaridae family. This genus consists of 3 species of cassowary. This animal comes from the tropical forests of Australia and Southeast Asia. Dogs are mammals that have experienced domestication from wolves since 15,000 years ago, or maybe 100,000 years ago, based on genetic evidence from fossil and DNA discoveries. Chimpanzee is the common name for 2 surviving species of apes, in the genus Pan. Chimpanzees are members of the hominidae family, along with gorillas, humans, and orangutans. Turtles are 4-legged scaly animals that belong to the reptile class. The nation of animals called Testudines.